let's see. Let's see. Can we have, oh, you got Shanku. Let's look at your toy. Spin it. Turn it around.
Turn it on.
Turn it on and spin it.
Wow.
Woo! You like that? Yeah, yeah? Yeah, yeah.
Me too. Another 9 too. Me too.
Dolly, watch out. Let her get after it.
Me too. Another 9 too.
Hold on a second. Hold on a second. No, I just want to get your hair out of your face.
What?
Go grab a hair tie from the bucket.
Where?
In the bathroom, quickly. Rain, yeah. You like that, Mama? Yeah, yeah? You like it, Rainy? Rain.
You still have 2 more to go.
Rainy, do you like that? Yeah? Yeah.
But this one-
Hi, leave a bow. Leave a bow. Leave it. Thank you.
Look, Mama's another present. Oh. Let's just take that tape off here. Look. A present.
I think she's going back to get after the other one. Rosie, scooch. I can't see Rain, honey. What's that? She wants it. That's why. She wants it. Give it to me. There you go. Rosie, you want to help me pick up all the wrapping paper?
Yeah.
Dolly, are you really opening that gift? Give it to her so she could do it. Open. Open it, Mama. Open it.
She doesn't want to whip it.
I know, she's cute. What is it, Mama?
A present from Dolly.
No, Dolly just wrapped it. This from Mommy. Look, baby. You like that? Yeah? Ooh.